just gotta sit back and thank the Lord on this one. I really gotta thank God. Just woke up in the morning, just be the case. Thank the Lord, motherfucker, they ain't take me safe. Last time I got hit, really took my safe. Took every damn thing, plus my safe. Ain't that a bitch? No, this game ain't safe. Everything I do, then it takes what it takes. Gotta have
oh yeah, man, I forgot I got jury duty.
Got no nigga, where the fuck you gotta be? Smack the shit out of bitch, just get it out of me. Easier snaps like 1, 2, 3. You tryna get it, bitches tryna kidnap me. Want me physically, mentally, and emotionally. I'm tryna keep it on my motherfucking potion B. I don't even fuck bitches, it's like I used to. I give a bitch quick dick, call it the boo-boo. I ain't tripping on you, you know you my boo-boo. I'm looking like this, you putting spells on me, call it voodoo. What the fuck is you and what you do? Always hating on young niggas. Like, bitch, what the fuck you want from a killer? Tryna get money, tryna get all this thriller. You see, I put the trampoline up for my little niggas. Walking through this bitch, getting bucks, I'm getting bigger. Looking like show for real, I'm about to sell out a show. Bitches tryna sell out they soul. Bad bitches ain't tell me what to do but a joke. I don't know, bitch, but the game, it be killing me. I don't know, dog, I'm just telling you I'm willingly. And niggas to take over, bitches can leave my table. I ain't tripping on these hoes, they ready to stable. Ready to do whatever motherfuckers say, ho. I be taking shit over, no hoes, they can say so. I don't gotta snitch, bitch, put you on my wish list if you do the dishes. No more ridiculous talk. I know where the shit gon' start. I know how the bitches gon' talk. Right behind my back, you don't know how to act. Matter of fact, you be mad than a bitch. I don't know what's so. Motherfucker gung-ho, talking shit real slow. You spit out my face, dumb hoe. I'm trying to get this money, you just trying to go blow. I'm looking at these hoes like, bitch, what you around here for? Plus, what you doing it for? I'm making music trying to get money and do it for show. You playing hoe, I'm looking like I'm just getting money laying low. Bad bitches everywhere, what the fuck you saying, Joe? I could step out and hoop with these niggas. I'm trying to see where the fuck the hoes at the shoot with these niggas. Trying to go salute with these niggas. Why y'all gonna turn black and poop with these niggas? Looking like oop with these niggas. Who you talking to? Toot with these niggas. Cool as a Cadillac breeze, I'm talking bitch, I can do whatever you need. It ain't my fault, you be mad at a bitch and I see that these motherfuckers be hating on a nigga like me. That's not me, this motherfucker that I stay cocky and my wrist stay rocky. You know they can't stop me, boy, I'm just like Rocky. I come back, fuck what you talking about, boy, no Apollo Creed. I got game, motherfucker, give you what you need, I'm that nigga. Plus, bitch, I'm getting that richer, that gifted. I don't give a fuck, I'm that with it. Plus these motherfuckers know, yeah, I that get it, and I'm fucking that with it. I go and get kicked, ducking to my motherfucking real niggas. We at the club, don't show us no love, because we ain't looking at you, we looking at her. And motherfucker, she looking at us, she wanna fuck. She see the way we dress, the way we wrestle. I mean the way the motherfuckers dress up here. Looking at the way we dress up here. Westside nigga up in this booth. Rock the Northside nigga, so what it do? Kelly all on me, Fuji on my body, smelling like Nautica. Bitches wanna pop me, I be like, wow, B. Think I'm out the shore right now, see? But chill out with all that, pipe down, bitch.